Hey everybody, thanks for clicking in. Have you been searching for an affordable place to call home on St. Croix? If so, I think we just found it. This place is an amazing deal. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, upper deck, lower covered deck right off the kitchen, in-unit laundry, all renovated, beautiful kitchen, impact glass windows. It even has solar system and a backup generator. This place is ready to go. And one of the best parts about it, everybody worries about HOA fees. Not here. It's $550 a year. That's right, not a month, a year. So if you've been searching long and hard for a good place to live on St. Croix that you can afford, I think we just found your spot. Let's go check it out. All right, we're gonna start underneath this amazing 200-plus-year-old mahogany tree. I guess that's why they call this place Mahogany Welcome. There's tons of mahogany trees, including one right out front of the unit we're about to check out. Such a nice, lush area. Nice landscaped entry, plenty of parking here. You got 2 or 3 spots here. Entry walkway, all nicely done. Now, keep in mind here you have not only cistern, but you have city water. This is your city water meter. There's your shutoff valve. And then your cistern cover is right over there. Your neighbor's is next to it. And the cistern is located underneath the parking area, which is kind of unique. It's not in the house, it's outside in the parking area. The current owner is on the city water, but if you wanted to activate the cistern, you could do that, not a problem. Beautiful entrance through the gate, down a couple steps into this gorgeous entry courtyard. Look at this. You've got a storage closet in the corner. It's also got your cistern pump, water filters. And then here we are looking back at the front entry gate. Great place for the kids or the pets. Really good setup. All right, we're at number 74 Mahogany Welcome. Let's go inside and check it out. Right off the entry courtyard into this big foyer. Check this out. Very nice. Nice cabinetry along the side here. Now it's a split level unit. So upstairs to 2 guest bedrooms. Master bedroom on this level with bath and closet, and then downstairs to the living room and kitchen area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps down, and here you are. Look how beautiful this is. All renovated, all in excellent condition. Nice floors, nice tongue and groove wall, AC above. And this is actually wired. If you wanted to put a bigger TV up here, it's wired and ready for a bigger TV up top. And again, impact glass windows. Thunk test, another pass. Don't have to worry about hurricane shutters here. Close them and you're ready to go. So sweet. There we're looking right back out the front door. Check out this kitchen. Big, beautiful island with 3 stools. Gorgeous granite, stainless steel sink. Now, current owner opted out with the dishwasher, but it's wired and plumbed. She's using it for storage, but you could easily pop a dishwasher back in there and you'd be back in business if you don't want to hand wash. That's an easy upgrade. And then here you got a beautiful stainless fridge, new full-size washer dryer stacked. And then out the door you go to this awesome outdoor lounge dining area. This is where I'd be eating my dinner every night. Now remember, you're covered by the deck above off the guest bedrooms, which is sweet. You got a propane backup generator, fully automatic, and then a nice fenced-in area. That gate opens out to the yard. We'll check that in a second. But first, let me show you the solar. This is the Enphase inverter unit. All in excellent condition, reducing your power bill like nobody's business. Check that out. And there's your automatic transfer switch for the generator. Great setup. Now, she was clever and did a double propane setup. So this big bottle handles the generator. These 2 smaller ones run the stove and oven. Really nice. Now, one of my favorite parts of this place is this mahogany tree. Look at that, right in your front yard. Awesome. And there's the upper deck off the bedrooms. Just a great setup. Comfortable living at a very affordable price. Man, you're not going to be disappointed if you come check this out. All right, let's head up the steps, check out the bedrooms. Back up the steps to entrance level, upstairs to 2 guest bedrooms. Well, let's check out the master bedroom right here. Look at that, so beautiful. Twin bureaus, lots of windows, nice little view out to the courtyard. Double closet, his and hers, AC above. Beautifully decorated. Really nice condition. Again, you got your bonus closet here, additional storage above, and then down the hall into the bathroom. Modern vanity. Tub with travertine walls, love that. These are so pretty, really, really upscale. And then of course it has the shower as well. Okay, that's the master bedroom. Now we're gonna bank a right, shoot up the upper level, and check out the guest bedrooms. Okay, now we're up at the upper level. Got a nice closet on the right as you come down the hall, bathroom at the end, and another bedroom in here. This one also has a queen bed. Love that headboard, so modern looking. More windows out to the outdoor upper deck, AC, and another nice spacious closet. I mean, this place has a lot of storage. Can't argue with that. Then we'll come out, bank a left, into the guest bath. More of that beautiful travertine. This one's just a shower, no tub, but still really nice. Pedestal sink, nice light fixture above. And then this way we come down, take another right, and here we are into the third bedroom. Currently set up as an office, but obviously easily converted to a bedroom with furniture. AC above here, 2 more impact glass windows. Now this one has its own access out to the upper deck, which is kind of nice. You come out here, you could set up a lounge up here. Really good setup. Pretty good size too. I'd say this is probably about 24 by 10 maybe. And check out that mahogany tree. This place is really sweet, guys. I mean, no matter how you slice it, it's hard to get this much property in a great location, all ready to go at this price point. If you want to check it out, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you. In the meantime, enjoy this awesome St. Croix mahogany tree. I hope you make it yours one day. Give us a call. We'd love to show it to you. Until next time, bye-bye. I really hope you guys enjoyed that property tour. If you did, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking here. Click up here for more videos just like it. We'd love to see you move to beautiful St. Croix. Maybe one of these days we can make one of these awesome properties all yours.